All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
The courtroom falls into silence as the judge calls for order. Then, in an unexpected twist, Mr. Daniels steps forward, not to contest child support, but to request it for himself. That's right, he's taking the initiative to ensure his child's needs are met, a move that instantly raises eyebrows, but there's a catch. The child's mother is nowhere to be found. Her absence shifts this case from a simple financial dispute to something far more profound. A father stepping up, a mother missing, in a courtroom filled with lingering questions. Now all eyes are on the judge. How will this case unfold? Stay tuned to find out.
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs, because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in, and well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son. Do
you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
With unwavering determination, Mr. Daniels steps forward. His only goal is to secure the support his child deserves. In his eyes, the mother is falling short, and her absence in court only strengthens his case. The judge leans in, probing into their history. Mr. Daniels lays it all out. They were never married, but he never wavered in his efforts to be here for his child. Life took unexpected turns, but now he's the one standing firm. There's frustration in his voice, but his commitment speaks louder. This isn't about past mistakes. It's about building a better future. As the judge carefully weighs the facts, tension fills the room. One thing is undeniable. Mr. Daniels is prepared for the fight ahead, and he's not backing down.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in. So I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
Shifting gears, the judge gets straight to the point, pressing Mr. Daniels on his income and his child's health insurance coverage. His response is direct. Money is tight. As a third-string player in the Arena Football League, his paycheck is far from impressive. The judge doesn't sugarcoat it. Child support is based on income, no exceptions. However, as a small silver lining, if he can cover health insurance, it could help ease his financial burden. As she breaks down the numbers, the entire courtroom gets an unexpected crash course in how the system truly operates. Her message is clear. This isn't about personal hardships. It's about prioritizing the child's well-being. With her firm but fair approach, she lays out the facts, leaving no doubt about what comes next.
So, based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28. for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama? That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
The judge delivers the final ruling. Mr. Daniels is officially ordered to pay $871.46 per month in child support. The amount is calculated based on his earnings and health insurance contributions, leaving no room for negotiation. He nods in agreement, but a flicker of concern crosses his face as he silently weighs how to balance his own expenses while ensuring his child's well-being. Noticing the tension, the judge lightens the moment with a playful remark about finding him a good baby mother, drawing a few chuckles from the courtroom, but beneath the humor, the message is crystal clear. This decision is about securing the child's future. As Mr. Daniels steps out of the courtroom, one truth remains undeniable. Parenting goes beyond financial support. It's about responsibility, sacrifice, and proving through actions that his child will always come first.
So the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on child support. That's very unique because you don't see that very often, but you are able to do that on your own. If you want to put yourself on child support, you are more than welcome to do so. Actually, I would recommend that you do it because then you don't have to worry about getting hit with back pay later on because you never paid child support for your child from the beginning. So, teachable moment for you guys. If you can do it.
Now let's take a closer look at the legal side. What makes this case stand out? Mr. Daniels made an uncommon yet strategic move by voluntarily putting himself on child support. It's a decision that's both responsible and smart. A legal expert explains that by taking this step, he's protecting himself from potential back pay while ensuring his child's financial stability from the start. This case serves as a powerful reminder that child support isn't just about court orders. It's about taking accountability. The video wraps up with a call to action, encouraging viewers to share their thoughts and subscribe for more legal insights. One thing is clear. The court's priority is always the child's well-being, even when one parent is absent. Key takeaway: understanding the legal system and being proactive can make all the difference in securing a child's future.